Legends, welcome back to the channel. So recently we went to Nannup for the weekend. I sussed out some of those trails that come off Tank 7 and they were absolutely crazy. They were way above my pay grade. Yeah, some of the most insane jumps I've ever seen. Yeah, then the following day my mate Lance came down with his e-bike. He was handing e-bikes out left, right and centre. I was riding the Giant Rain E+ 2022 model. It was like super fun, super sick. This video is the footage from that ride. Electric mountain bikes, good mates and sick trails. I hope you enjoy this one. What are we running here? Like what are you putting yours on? Like what number? Like there?
No, well that's automatic. And push it once and ride it on that.
Yeah, righto.
Because if you use your full power, you'll drain it in about 6-7 runs. We all ready?
Yeah. Ready?
We'll go start the fire road.
Oh my god.
How good is it?
So good. With a solid crew of e-bikers, we make our way up the fire road with ease. We are mostly riding the Tank 8 trails today. It will be a mix of blue and black trails with jumps, rocks, roots and berms. So yeah, all the fun stuff. There's not meant to be much rain today, is it?
The e-bikers come!
Cheaters.
Yeah, that's it, eh? Blue to black.
Warm up.
It's intersections like this that make mountain biking interesting. On the left we have a blue trail and it should be pretty mellow. And on the right we have a gnarly, more advanced black trail. And black trail it is.
Yeah! Yeah! Oi! Oh. Oh, this thing doesn't stop. Oh. Dude, what a sick trail. That's fun. That'd be good to learn. Is that rollable? Woo. That is mad. Yes, nice. That was sick. I even did a little jump at the end. How good are some of those berms?
After this drop, if you go fast, there's like a really long jump you can gap. It's really fun.
Can you gap it?
I did, yeah.
Is it safe?
It is safe to catch.
I'll follow you. Oh, let's see if we can get this big beast off the ground. I'm just not used to them not stopping.
Yeah.
Whoa! Yeah, you got that good. Whoa! Yeah, nice. Even that berm then, I was like, oh, I can't stop. Hey boys.
Some good little drops on that, wasn't there?
Yeah.
Bottom out or what?
No, I still got a little bit. Still got like 20 mil. I only got it nice.
Was it on video?
Yeah, I was behind you, yeah.
After another cruisy ride to the top, we drop into one of the funnest trails I've ever ridden.
What did you say, fun guy?
Fun guy, and then we can climb up fire road again.
Fun guy.
Leave some gears for me, will you? Fucking hell, didn't even clear that jump then, did you, Froff?
Hey!
Fucking hell, Andy, we're catching you! Oh! Oh, fucking hell! Welly Mills all over again! Whoa! Oh, it's too sloppy to jump into this shit. Mate, that's a great trail. I'll do that one again.
That was fun. Nice. Some of those boggy bits though, I don't know if it's these big balloony tyres, but it feels like it's going like, woo, like. Come wheelie, come. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
After smashing Lance in the wheelie comp, we hit Fun Guy again. It was just too much fun not to. But now it's time to scare ourselves a little.
The local.
The local is a black diamond trail here, and the word on the trail is that it's a favourite amongst the locals. I was lucky enough to ride the bottom section yesterday, but the top is all brand new.
Oh, hey. It's a bit sloppy.
Oh, they're definitely doable. Then when you're on a normal bike and you get to a bit like this, that sucks. Because you're like, it just takes the flow out of it. Oh, it's so good. If I had to spare 10 grand, I'd buy one. Woo! Yeah. Oh, yes. Oi! The sick as burns.
Halfway down the local, and we spot an insane double black diamond trail called Man vs Machine. We decide to take a look at the first couple of features.
Would you hit this? Would you?
Jesus, there's not much to hit, is it?
You gotta clear that rock. There's a big step down there.
Oh, well, I've looked, see?
Whoo! That's gnarly. Woo! There's probably a lot of kids hitting it. This shit's crazy.
So let's get back on the slightly less crazy trail.
There are some drops though where you might have to have a bit of momentum. Yo! Oh! You're right. Too slow though.
Well, if you know the trail, why'd you send me first?
What did I say? There are some drops though where you might have to have a bit of momentum.
Well, let's go back and do it again then.
Well, is your bike rideable or?
Yeah. As rideable as your mum.
Yes. Yeah, Jace. Yeah.
Slower and then like hop from here. Just like a normal drop. I did it before, just like very sketchy, so I'm a bit scared.
You got it, Annie. Woo! Damn!
I got out before I saw the tree.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Ooh, good.
You got the drop perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you. Cut before. Nice.
Oh.
Feet's off then as well.
Woo! Yeah, that's gnarly, eh? Almost 16 k's in.
Not bad, hey?
It's too easy.
Yeah.
It's too easy. I think I'm an e-biker now. I just don't have an e-bike. Thank you so much for watching, legends. I really appreciate it.